Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Luisa. Today I'm going to be making a bacon wrapped chicken with stuffed cream cheese and spinach and some salad on the side. Here's a little close-up. Ghee cooking spray. I'm gonna finally chop some minced garlic and then I'm just gonna add it to my pan after adding the garlic spray. The ghee spray. What? I'm just gonna let the garlic cook in it a little bit and then I'm gonna add the spinach. I'm gonna add half of my spinach because I'm gonna use some for my ensalada. I'm gonna just let her cook in it for a little bit until she gets a little more green and soft. And then I'm gonna remove it from the heat and then chop it.
Bitch, it's moldy.
Luckily, I have another one. So I'm just mixing the cream cheese with the espinacas and then I'm gonna add some onion powder, some garlic salt, some black pepper. And then just mix it. And then I'm also gonna add some more chile, which you will see ahead. Forgot to add the most important part. Add a lot of flavors, so it doesn't matter if you add a lot. I promise you it's not a lot. Just mixing her and setting her to the side. Don't mind my dog barking in the back. Some garlic pepper. Some garlic salt. Oh, that was a lot. Cheese. So, just gonna scoop some of her up. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this and we're just gonna put it onto one side. I think we can probably get another scoop if anything. I'm gonna get another scoop and then
a little bit. We'll see right.
I'm just gonna scoop this up, the rest of it. And spread it. My man don't like cream cheese that much anyway, so it's okay. And basically we're just gonna fold it over like this. We're gonna do the same thing to this one. Just pull her on top. And then we're just gonna cover her like that because we're gonna cover it with bacon anyways, so it's fine. Now we get the bacon. That sucks though, fuck. Yeah, so we're not gonna have enough bacon. But just imagine if we did, that shit would have been bomb.
Like there's even like 3 songs that I have that you don't even know about.
I know you've told me.
There's 3 now, not just 1.
I thought you said I know there was 2 songs that you haven't showed me because a long time ago you told me, but you never showed me that song. So only one side is gonna be covered. A lot of bacon, but if you do have a lot more bacon, I do recommend you use more bacon and fully wrap her, but I don't have a lot of bacon, so this is how we're gonna do it. should be over and the butterflies. Just wrapping her around. It's not as wrapped as I would want it to be, but again, we're just improvising. We're gonna transfer her over. Same thing right here. I don't wanna. Okay, there we go. So we're just gonna put her in there in air fry. We're gonna do chicken 40 minutes for 435. And we're gonna make a salad. I thought I was recording my salad, but I guess I didn't. But basically I just chopped up bell peppers, lettuce, romaine, and onion. A little burnt, but that's because we just want to make sure the chicken was cooked right, but she's still very juicy.